Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 49. The Woodpile. I stepped into the yard as the sun warmed the late afternoon, eyes resting on the pile of firewood stacked carefully near the shed. Each log told a story, hands that cut, split and carried them, winters past and winters yet to come. I ran a finger along the rough bark, feeling the texture, the weight, the life once held within. A dog padded close, sniffing the edges, while children tossed sticks nearby, laughter echoing. The scent of pine and sawdust mingled with warm sunlight, and I realized the woodpile was more than fuel. It was patience, preparation and care piled high. Evening shadows fell, cool and long, and I left the yard slowly, heart full of quiet gratitude. Understanding that even ordinary tasks like stacking would hold a rhythm and purpose that shapes the life around them. Now listen to the poem. Sun warms yard, wood stacked high. Logs tell stories of days gone by. Hands that cut, split and bare. Life, once held in bark and air. Dog sniffs edges, children play. Laughter echoes through fading day. Pine and sawdust scent the sun. Patience, care and work are one. Evening shadows stretch and fall. Ordinary tasks hold meaning all. Stacked wood waits for winter's fire, steady rhythm, quiet desire. Purpose lives in simple deeds, shaping life through daily needs.